I'm Jenny Fan. I am work as a senior finance manager for Texas portfolio in Sydney. People call me chief trainer because I love to share my knowledge to the entire team. I have been promoted to senior finance manager when I work in Texas portfolio, and I have been nominated for several RISE awards for my excellent service to the client. I started CBIE 12 years ago in Brisbane. Over the past 5 years, I decided to move back to Sydney. I have successfully managed and developed CBIE finance team that has consistently provided high-quality financial results for our portfolio of office and industrial assets. Outside of work, I love to play with my cat. I like to take him everywhere I go because my cat is a hairless cat and he requires very high maintenance. So that he is actually driving me, motivating me to the work every day. I feel nervous.
You shouldn't.